Another video showing the LPM and Simplified Remote Restart Automation Tool from IBM. Hello, this is Bob Foster, and today we're going to show you how to use the LPM and Simplified Remote Restart Automation Tool to do scheduled operations. Okay, here we go. Let me log into the tool. So we're going to use LPM away. We're going to go into, I guess we'll do something for Poughkeepsie today. And we have this server, and we have multiple LPARs on it. I'm just going to choose a couple of these because it'll make the video faster. And I'm going to move them to, I can either move them to a place in Rochester or a place to Poughkeepsie, but I'm going to move them to Poughkeepsie. And I'm going to move them to this server here, and I hit next, and it's going to go through the validate step. That won't take very long, and we get some warnings which tend to be typical in my systems. It just says you can't use hardware acceleration, but I have two different levels of P7 servers here in my lab, and I go off and I hit next. And I like what I see here, but I want to schedule it now. I don't want to start the LPM right now. I want to schedule it. And I'm going to schedule it for later on this day. So right now here it's about 10:24 on Saturday morning. We'll schedule it for 10:26, 7, 8, 10:30. Okay, so I click done and I confirm it. So now it's been scheduled to happen at 10:30. And I can delete it if I want to, but I'm not going to delete it. And so let's say that I go off and look around here. I click on the home icon. I moved here. But I do want to see what's scheduled. I can go over here and click on this and see what's scheduled. So this little envelope icon is actually showing us where our schedules are. Okay, I'm going to hit pause now, and then I'll bring this back up at about 10:30 in a couple of minutes, and we'll look at when the schedule kicks off. Okay, hold on, be right back. Okay, so we're a few seconds away from 10:30. So I'll just click around in the GUI here to get us back to home here. So if I go to schedule now, it should have kicked off by now. They're gone because 10:30 just happened. And if I go to LPM away, it's actually showing us the operations that are going on. So it's a little bit different than what we've seen before. We didn't go into the LPM away and go off and start a process. We actually clicked on LPM away and it brought up our scheduled operations that had kicked off and started running. So great, so these will run through completion, and like I said, when I go over and look at the schedule now, the schedule icon is blank because they've already kicked off. And if I go to LPM away, we'll see the progress of it. So great, so it works just fine. I'm not going to record and watch us do all the LPM, so I got lots of other recordings showing how LPM works and all that. So I just want to show you how that schedule worked and how you look at it on the schedule icon, but when it kicks off, you go off and look at it on the LPM away icon. Okay, let's have a nice day. Bye-bye.